Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the finale for the Roulette Pan collab round 6, I believe. Probably should have written that down. This project is finally coming to a close. I've had so much fun participating in this huge collaborative project pan that was started by Alexi and Rebecca Morgan, and I love watching so many of my YouTube friends do this project as well. Unfortunately, I will not be able to join the next round, which is scheduled to start on February 15th, I believe. I just can't fit it in, so I will try my best to join in on round 8 if there is a round 8. But I'm going to close out this project, share my progress on the 6 products that I was working on, and hopefully this video doesn't take too long. I'm sorry if the lighting is really weird on my monitor. My camera is like overcompensating for my bright blue eyeshadow and is making my skin look kind of blue, but of course I won't know if that translates for you guys until I get it into editing, or if it's just my computer over here playing tricks on me. But I tried to fix it and I couldn't do it. So I'm just going to go in the order of the way that they were chosen for me to work on. If you're unfamiliar with this project, I'm sure you are if you're watching the finale, but you randomize a prompt to work on and then find a product that fits in with the prompt to pan. So for category 14, a product you would recommend to anyone, I chose my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. Not only is this product a great value for money because there's 8 mils of lip gloss in these. They're affordable, they're at the drugstore. 8 mils is much more than any of the other lip glosses I have in my personal collection. And they're just great lip glosses. They have good color payoff, they're comfortable, they're not too sticky, a little bit sticky, but that also helps it to last a little bit longer. I just really enjoy this formula. Rumor has it that this component is not opaque, it's actually see-through, and I don't see any cracks or anything in this product. I have used this 8 times since the last update. It's 8 days in total over the last month that I wore this, and then I was reapplying it throughout the day without tallying on my paper. I used this I will put the total number of uses I got out of these products on the screen for the duration of this project. I see some discoloring happening right here in my bottle, and less product is coming out on the wand. That was goopy. But I really don't have any faith that this is anywhere near done. So category 33 is something that you think is overrated. I think this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is really overrated. While I do enjoy it and I think the aerosol mist is a pleasurable experience, I don't think it's worth all of the hype that it has gotten. I keep saying I think this is going to be empty, and it's still kicking. So I have used this 10 more times over the last month. It feels empty, but every time a little bit more comes out. The mist is quite sporadic now. I get large droplets on my face. Not as much product is coming out as I hold down the nozzle. So this could be done tomorrow, or it could last another month. I have no idea. I really thought this would be done for the finale, but I also thought it was going to be done for the last update as well, and it's still here. So category 12 is a product you bought online. I chose the Mother's Special Blend Skin Toning Oil. I've been using this on my baby bump. I have 5 tallies on here, but I have been finding it really hard to keep tallies for products that are away from my vanity. So I keep this in my bathroom, and I rarely remember to come over to my vanity to mark a tally after using it. So I've used it way more than that. I went from here down to here, which is consistent progress over the last few months. Wasn't able to get this finished, but I have been using it quite a lot. This is just a really great, like more natural type of body oil, and I really do enjoy this to help prevent stretch marks, although I'm under the impression that stretch marks are hereditary because I have a ton of them, and so do all of the other women in my family. But it helps with that skin, like tight skin feeling as well, to keep your stomach, your belly moisturized if you're pregnant. So that is how I have been using that product, but it's not finished. Category 25 is a product you would only buy on sale. I buy most of my makeup on sale, especially if it's drugstore. There's really no excuse to pay full price at the drugstore. If you just wait 2 to 3 weeks even, it would probably go on sale, depending on the stores around you, of course. And for Sephora, I always either have a gift card or I wait for double cash back at Rakuten/Ebates. Or I wait for the VIB sales, etc. You get it. But I just chose this primer because I needed a primer to work on. This is the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Photo Finish Primer. I haven't really been able to continue to mark this product because it is getting thinner this way, but it goes down further in the center, and if I push on the sides trying to find a place to mark it, product shoots out. So my markings are irrelevant that I have on the back here. This is getting harder and harder to squeeze any product out of, so I think this is on its last legs, but I wasn't able to finish it for this project. I used that an additional 10 times as well. 24 is a product you will always repurchase. Now I chose the Balm Mary Luminizer Highlighter. This is my first time owning this, so it's not like I continue to repurchase, but I know this is a product that I will repurchase when or if I ever finish the sample size. I wasn't taking progress pictures because it was looking the same month after month, but since the last update to now, there's actually quite a lot of wear happening on this side of the product. It's not really a dip in the middle, but it's more like this side is really full. You can't see the metal edge really at all, and you can see quite a bit of it on this side, so the product is like sloping down. This highlight is great. I have it on today. It just really suits my skin tone. This is an OG favorite for a reason. It's one of the very first highlighters that became popular in the beauty community, and it's for good reason. I didn't hit pan on this, which was my intention, but I'm really happy to have gotten so much use out of it over the course of the last 4 months of this project. I used this 11 times since the last update. And lastly, category 6 is an old favorite. I chose the Balm Meet Matte Hues Liquid Lipstick in the shade Committed. I have pulled the stopper out of this product and it's getting really dry and clumpy. I will continue to use this probably for a couple more weeks, but I don't think that I think if I put this in my collection and have it wait for me for a little while, when I go back to it, it's going to be completely dried out. But I love this liquid lipstick formula, and I really love this color in particular. And this is something I would love to own in the full size once I finish up this one and probably a couple others first. I only used this 5 additional times since the last update. I'm trying to pan a lot of lip products currently, but yes, wasn't able to finish this either. So I have no empties to share with you in this update, but I'm really happy with the progress I have continued to make. I'm excited to put most of these products back in my collection and start playing with a couple new products as well, and bring the number of products that I'm panning from 46 down to 40. So I'm feeling slightly less overwhelmed with all of my projects this year. Let me know how you did in your finale, or if you made a video. I will definitely go check it out. Just let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!